If you are thinking about giving up on your Amazon FBA journey, hopefully this video will help you reframe what it takes and what you need to actually become a successful Amazon seller. Because in my days actually helping people building Amazon FBA business, I've seen a ton of people giving up, okay, because it is too hard, because it is such and such and such. But if you just put in a little bit of work, I guarantee that you have all the tools that are required to become an Amazon seller, especially with this YouTube channel. Because if you do not know me, by the way, if it's the first video that you see from me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos, and more than daily videos, by the way, because some days I release 2 videos. Right now, you may not know it, but I just launched a channel in French as well, okay, where I explain how to actually run Amazon FBA business in French, okay? Look it up, it's called Gunza FR, whatever. And yeah, so if you are new here, subscribe and like this video because I release daily videos to help you become a 7-figure Amazon seller. Alright, it's 100% free. Even if I offer coaching, you have everything that you need also on this YouTube channel for free. Alright, so yeah, make sure to subscribe. But yeah, I'm going to show you that you have everything that you need and that you have more than what a lot of people that made a ton of money, that made crazy stuff in the past actually had. Alright, so let's just start and let me show you something. Do you know what this is? Do you have any idea of what this is? Okay, this is called a Game Boy Color, okay? And the reason why I'm showing you this is because you may not realize it. And yes, because the younger guys that are watching this video may have no idea what this is, okay? This was before we had the PlayStation 5, before we had the Nintendo Switch, all that stuff. This was the thing to have, okay? It was a portable console, and the reason why I'm showing you this is because you may not realize it, but this thing that you just see, and let me just show you what it looks like when you play games. So this is basically what it looks like, okay? When you play games on the Game Boy Color, okay? So this thing that you see right now, doing this stuff, doing this dumb stuff, okay? And this was crazy. It was Pokemon Silver. It was the best game ever. But this thing that you see right there is 2 times more powerful than the computers that they actually use to go to the moon, okay? So if you did not know it, 60 years ago, people went to the moon, okay? You may not believe it, but like, they actually went to the moon, okay? So they used computers that were 2 times less powerful than this thing that you see doing these things, all right? So the reason why I'm showing you this is for you to realize that this thing that you have, that you are probably currently watching the video on, that you're probably watching this video on right now, okay, this thing that you have in your pocket all day is 120 million times more powerful than the computer that they use to go to the moon, okay? So with a little bit of work, okay, I guarantee you that with a little bit of work, you can figure out how to make money, how to find profitable products on Amazon using this thing, okay? It's 120 times more powerful than the computer that they used to go to the moon. I do not even know if you realize this, okay? And you have this in your pocket all day, okay? So we are not even talking about the computer that you are actually using to work on your business, or that you may use to watch this video, but this is actually millions and millions and millions of times more powerful than the computer, and I'm going to say it again because it sounds actually crazy, than the computer that those people actually use to go to the moon. So if some random, not some random people, because they actually worked at NASA and all that stuff, so they are quite kind of smart, okay? But if those people were able to figure out how to go to the moon, okay, how to bring a space shuttle to the moon. Okay, I don't even know if you realize it. If some people were able to figure that out with a dumb computer 60 years ago, and today you have something that's 120 times more powerful in your pocket, and you cannot figure out how to actually make $1 on Amazon with this, it is a shame, okay? Let alone the computer that you have, your MacBooks, whatever. I guarantee that if you put in a little bit of work, you are going to figure out a way to actually make some money on Amazon using those tools, okay? You have all the tools that you need at your disposal. The only thing that you need is the knowledge that you can get for free on this channel. Okay, you can get all the knowledge that you need for free on this channel, or if you want to speed up your growth, you can get into my mentorship group or book a coaching with me. All right, but you have everything that you need already to reach that point, okay? And so I guarantee you that if you put in a little bit of work, you are going to be able to figure out how to make a full-time income on Amazon, which is like if you make $200 a day in profit, it is pretty much a full-time income, right? So I guarantee that if you put in a little bit of work with the tools that you have right now, you are going to be able to find one product a day that is going to make you $200 in profit for the rest of the year. Okay, just $200 in profit. All right, so on average, you need to find every single day, you need to find a product that is going to sell, a product that is going to make $5 profit and that you are going to be able to sell 40 times during the year. That's all you need to do. And I really want you to realize this. That's all you need to do to make $60,000 a year in profit on Amazon, okay? $60,000. What is the median income in the US? Median income in the US. Let me look at it. I have no idea. Okay, the median income is actually $37,000. So you are going to make more than the median income if you do this. I guarantee that you can make double the median income easily. Okay, you can make this easily with the tools that you have right now at your disposal. You have no excuse. And if you give up, it's like, and once you realize this, by the way, once you realize this, if you give up, it's actually a shame. Like, think about how shameful it is. Some people were able to use tools things that, like, you have more than people that actually figure out how to actually go to the moon. I don't even know if you realize how complicated it is. You have more tools, like the top of the top, like the best computer that they had at this time, okay? The supercalculator that they had at this time, to bring a space shuttle to the moon. I really want that to sink in with you. It's 120 million times less powerful than the phone that you have in your hands right now. So how can you tell me? How can you be lazy? How can you be lazy to the point where you are actually going to give up on this thing that you want to build? Because you are just lazy. At this point, it's just laziness. Just put in the work. Okay, just put in a little bit of work to figure out, to get the knowledge, okay? Because all the tools, you have all the tools, okay? Even if you have a dumb Android like this, it's still more powerful, okay? Still more powerful than the computer that they used to go to the moon. So let that sink in for a little bit. If you actually give up, it is a shame, and it shows that you are actually lazy, because the only thing that you need to reach that point, the only thing that you need right now is the knowledge. The knowledge is available for free on this YouTube channel if you are willing to put in the work and watch all the videos, okay? Maybe not even all the videos. You can watch a few key videos, search for some videos on my channel. It's all the knowledge that you need. I do not gatekeep anything. I literally do not gatekeep anything. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, if you want to grow your Amazon business, just apply whatever I share in my free videos. If you want to grow faster, if you want to scale faster, of course, I have the coaching. Okay, you can come on the coaching. But I do not gatekeep. I haven't gatekept anything on the YouTube channel. Okay, it is going to take you a little more time to grow. Okay, and time is money. So if you want to speed that up, of course, get on the coaching. But everything that you need is on this YouTube channel for free. All the knowledge that you need to be able to become a successful Amazon seller. You may not have the time to go through all this. So in that case, get the coaching. But like, if you have the time, if you do not have money, it means that you have the time. And if you have the time, just watch all the videos. You have everything that you need. I have 1 year and 3 months exactly right now of daily videos that are on average like 10 minutes. Okay, so it's like, you're going to need to spend like probably 4,000 minutes, okay? 4,000 minutes to watch all my content, and maybe more than that. So 4,000 divided by 60 is, I probably have like 60 hours of content, okay? For you to watch, all right? So 60 hours. If you are at work and you can have some headphones, put your headphones and listen to the videos. Simple. If you do not have a job, if you are unemployed, you have all the time in the world to actually do it, okay? All the tools at your disposal. Stop finding excuses. Put in the work. Get your business going. That's all that you need. Everything is available right there. All the knowledge that you need is here. You already have the tools. All right. So hopefully this helped you reframe a little bit. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for a new video, because I release daily videos, as I said. Once again, my name is Mangunza, and thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.